Hey guys, this is just a short little video on the recoil rope I use. I use the number 5 and the number 4 heavy duty true blue, and so far it's been lasting really good, so I'm happy with it. The number 5 I usually use with all the bigger stuff like your large rototillers, push mowers, walk behind edgers, all that big kind of stuff, and then all the little two-stroke stuff I use the number 4, 1/8" diameter, because it's small enough to get into those recoil starters. And as some of you know, probably, if you use the thick rope on those starters, you can't get very much of it in there before it starts clogging up, and then it won't suck the rope back into it. So these are the two I use the most. I haven't really had a use for anything bigger or anything smaller. They both seem to work really well for me, and I already paid for them already with all the work I've done, and I think they're only like 10 bucks a piece. I can put the links in the description below for you guys. But anyway, it's just a small little video. Anyway, happy Sunday, and thanks for watching. And I'll be organizing my shop for you guys, and maybe I'll do a video because some people like that. And anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.